Alright, today I've got a 2011 Chevy Cruze with a 4-cylinder that we got to do some spark plugs on. Seems like this is a pretty easy job, so let's get to it. Alright, so this cover just lifts off. Lift the front up first. Pull this off. I'm going to undo this connector for the coils first. I've got two T30s here. And we already have access to the plugs. This is what your coil pack looks like. Looks like the plug gap is 27 to 28 thousandths. The torque on these is 18 foot-pounds. Pretty simple. Put this back on. One thing that I did find in here is you see these springs that are in there. This one is straight up and down. This one's a little bent. This one's a little bent. And that one's a little bent. Okay, here it's spring back also. Okay, so now all of those are straight up and down. They don't seize up on me next time. Slip the back in first. Start her up. Alright, so pretty easy one, about a 15-minute job. So, you're done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.